Ensuring the cursor is flashing within the Word document, as you can see here, press Ctrl F9 on the keyboard. This will then appear. You will then need to type in the following: display barcode. Then type in a space and within quotes type in an appropriate URL to a website. And you can see I'm typing in to my website, johnphilipjones.com, and then finish off with the double quotes. Then enter a space followed by QR, then another space, then /3. Then press F9 on the keyboard. This QR code will then appear. Scanning this QR code will take you to the website johnphilipjones.com. So let's summarize what you need to type in. You put display barcode here, then a space, then you can see you've got double quotes, and between these double quotes you put the URL that you wish to visit using the QR code that's generated. Then you put another space, QR, followed by a space, /3, and then you hit F9. You can see that this in fact allowed us to generate an appropriate QR code, but my recommendation is you put the full URL into the text, as you can see I've shown here.